Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the video of Gyan Niketan Girls School of Class 1 English. Students, in this video I am going to explain Chapter 7 of English Gulmohar Reader Book, and name of the chapter is The Kite. Before start the chapter, first we will read some new words. You can see on the screen. The words are WAGS wax, TAIL tail, SHAKES shakes, STRING string, STUCK stuck, LADDER ladder, BREAKS breaks, PRETTY pretty. So students, these are some words related to this chapter, The Kite. Let us start the chapter. Can you see the kite? It always wags its tail and shakes its ears. Then it breaks its string and flies away. It is naughty kite. It sits on the tops of houses and gets stuck in trees. It falls into ponds or on the grass. Students, in this chapter, the writer is explaining the kite, the activities of the kite. Okay, can you see the kite? Girls, I hope all of you have seen the kite. Hannah, a kite has a tail and it has 2 ears also. Okay, and when the kite flies in the sky, its tail wags in the sky, wags in the air, then and shakes its ears. Then what happened? Then it breaks its string and flies away. Okay, when the kite fly in the sky, after some time it may happen that the string breaks and the kite flies over in the sky. And through these activities, the writer is telling that the kite is a naughty kite. It sits on the tops of houses and gets stuck in trees. And when the string breaks, the kite flies high up in the sky, and after some time it sits on the tops of houses or gets stuck in trees. It falls into ponds or on the grass. It may also fall on the ponds or on the grass. It has a snow white face and pink and white ears, and it is such a pretty kite. Students, in this paragraph, the writer is describing the kite here with some words like snow white. This snow white word is describing the face of a kite. Snow white face means color of the kite is white, and pink and white ears. These 2 words are explaining here the ears of the kite. It is such a pretty kite. It is made of paper and little bits of string tied together. We all know, students, that a kite is made up of paper and a string is also tied with it. Look at it now. It is stuck on a red roof. The children pull the tail of the kite, but the kite doesn't move. They try again. Students, you can see in the picture some children are standing near a house, and a boy is climbing on the tree, and all they trying to pull the kite, but they are not able to pull. Okay, the children pull the tail of the kite, but the kite doesn't move. Okay, they try to pull the tail, but the kite doesn't move from there, and children are trying again and again. Then they bring a ladder, they climb up carefully. When they are unable to pull, they bring a ladder. They bring a ladder to pull the kite. Just then the wind lifts the kite. When the wind starts blowing, the wind lifts the kite. It flies away again. It flies over the field and far, far away. Okay, students. So here we have completed chapter number 7. Again we will meet in our next video with the exercises of this chapter. Thank you.